So we're building an AI tool which lets you create games. We currently are a bootstrap startup and we have built a MVP which we got validated from early user set. And now we are building it further for the next release and also raising our first round. Uh, what we are building is an AI tool that simplifies game creation and content gamification just by text. You can imagine something like Midjourney or ChatGPT, which lets you create text. We can let you create games. The product is designed to cater to a big scale of audience, starting from individual creators to the studios and enterprises who create games. And getting into the problem statement, as we know that how generative AI has redefined content creation. Today we can write a blog, we can create images, we can even produce videos. But when we look at gaming, gaming is a $280 billion industry. Plus, gamification is also growing with a CAGR of 33%. But creating a game is still a complex job. It requires multiple skill sets like coding, art, image, testing, and all those things. That creates two problems mainly. One, for the new creators, gamers, UGC, it creates a skill barrier. And as per our interviews with these folks, 83% of them told us that the technical barrier is the main reason they are not able to get into the industry. And the current set of tools are very technical. For the enterprise, for the studios and for the professionals in the industry, they take about 2 months and bandwidth for around 4 to 5 people in a course just to visualize the game on screen first time. So the problem statement for them is the time and the money they have to spend to at least build the first set of the game. We are solving this by building a Canva for games, you could imagine. That would be an end-to-end creation tool, which is based on our proprietary tech, which is text to game AI, and which lets you create games and gamify content. When I say games, I include all the casual gaming experiences. Like you've maybe played Candy Crush, Temple Run, all those casual games, 2D and 3D, including brain training action. In content gamification, you can gamify educational content. Like if you want to teach a student a concept on Newton law, you can also create training material for your like HR corporate use case. You can also create brand placed ads on that. For example, if you're a Coca-Cola brand manager, you want to create a game where you have to shoot Coca-Cola cans to get some points. So that's all you can create through the tool. It works in three very easy steps. First, you start with chatting with in order to understand, okay, the game you're defining, it will redefine the game you're building. You can also get insights from the market from that model, like what is working on App Store, web sources, and all those, which will help you, define the idea what to build on. Once you do that, the whole end-to-end game will be created for you by AI. Like everything in the game you could imagine, a playable version will be on your screen. Then you can iterate on it. You can change mechanics, elements, whatever you want to change the game. Once you're happy with the game, you can go into the launch stage. There are multiple options to do that. One is a very simple share. Like you share a YouTube link, you can play it on phone and anywhere. The second is you can publish that to your chosen platform. It could be web. We are starting with web. We'll expand to App Store. But web means pokeycrazy.com, itch.io. I'm assuming you must have remembered the mini clip we used to play when we were kids. So something like that we'll start now. We can post it there. The third option is integrating this with your current workflow. So if you're a studio, you use Unity, Unreal. There are already existing technical tools you use. So we want to get the integration so that the enterprise could use this as a prototyping tool, right? You can just build on Unity and build on top of it. So these are the three sharing or extraction options.